She kept on fucking looking at me like I'm strange. I'm just a bitch with a guitar. Oh shit, okay. Oh, there. There we go. Okay, no, wait, oh.
3 días después.
Okay.
Momentos después.
So the song is called I Am a Lie, and yes, I am dressed like trash because it is literally late. It's early. Late. It's late and early. It's early late. It's called I Am a Lie. I don't know if I repeated that yet, but it's amazing how much time I waste to try to form these faces to make you happy, but sadly I am a lie. I'm not caring, I'm not kind, but boy do I have to lie. I'm sorry, baby, but I'm not who you think I am. I hope you understand. I'm not who you think I am. Yeah, I'm not who you think I am. It makes me feel like when I tell you all of these lies, I love you, the only one, and I'll always be by your side. Oh, you stupid fool, can't you tell that I was using you? Yeah, I was using you. It's amazing how much time I waste to try to form these lies, 'cause it makes me happy to be the cause of your misery. Now you know that I'm not caring, I'm not kind, but boy do I love to lie. I'm sorry, baby, but you fell in love with the fake me, and you only have yourself to blame, 'cause you fell for my game. Yeah, you fell for my game. Now it's time for me to leave. Now I break your heart piece by piece. It's been great fun, but it's time to move on to the next one. I finished. You know, that is the first time a chick ever said, I finished. Insert dirty joke here. Well, hope you guys liked it. It's one of my original songs because I'm a bitter bitch, and so basically that was the perspective of people that broke my heart. And you can use it now for your anthem of terrible people that exist in your life and that hopefully does not exist in your life anymore, though I can't really be a hypocrite and say that they don't exist in my life. They exist in my life, though, because oh gosh, she's looking at me. Okay, time to end this shit. She's looking at me. Okay, this is awkward. This is uncomfortable. Peace out. Caramel swag, out. Rick and Morty, out. Trashy look, out. I can't believe my first video I'm literally wearing shitty jogging pants and a Rick and Morty t-shirt. How low can I go after this? Let's enjoy the ride.